Spider-Phil does whatever a Spider-Phil does. Time to wash your filthy furry soul. Get in there. What are you effing child protection services? Okay, fine. Fine, I'll get in for like 5 seconds.
Get in the frickin' washer.
Fine! For 5 seconds.
A few moments later.
To clean your clothes.
Chat!
Now
what
you're
up?
going to clean your balls.
I'm in a dishwasher! Ah! Wait, this is kind of stuck. Wait, I can put my feet on the ceiling. Ah!
Whenever.
Alright, chat, I'm gonna go to bed.
They only open from the outside.
Stop! Wait, what? Wait, what do you mean they only open from the outside? Wait, how do you get out? No.
Whenever, Paul.
Ah! No! Michael! Michael! Get me out! Michael! What do I do? Okay. Someone turn it on. No, please.
5 minutes later.
Ow! Ow! Stop! 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 Ow! Frick! Ow! Ow!
If you
Frick!
ask nicely, we might let you.
Ow! Frick! Help! 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 Ah!